We, the Riviere family, are proud to announce the celebration of life and homecoming of Peter Riviere. Mr. Riviere was born on the 28th of June, 1942, in Soufrière, St. Lucia. He lived in London, England, and passed away at the Whipps Cross Hospital, London, on the 24th of September, 2023. Left to mourn his wife, Flavia Riviere, his sons, Lucius, William, and Gary, his daughters, Lena and Jacqueline Riviere. Also left to mourn are the entire Riviere family in St. Lucia and abroad. All those who called, texted, sent messages via social media, sent cards and flowers, family and friends, especially from Hackney, London, and Soufrière, St. Lucia. Numerous other family and friends, too many to mention. A special heartfelt thank you also to all those who contributed to the GoFundMe page in support of the family. We thank you. The celebration of life and homecoming of Peter Riviere will be held at the Lady of the Assumption Church in Soufrière on Friday, 12 January 2024 at 2:30 p.m. His ashes will then be laid to rest with his parents, Lena and Charles Riviere, in the Soufrière Cemetery. The Riviere family would like to extend our appreciation by inviting you to some light refreshments at Miss Steve's Bar at Bay Street, Soufrière, after the cemetery service. May he rest in peace.